Hi, welcome in ABM Tech. I hope and everyone fine. Today we will show some modern products, including a 15-hour tablet that takes from the battery and allows you to read, and some other products that you can need at home and at work. Don't forget to subscribe to channel and like to start. Video 1 product is Nokia T20 Android tablet. With the Nokia T20 Android tablet, you can play games, multitask between apps, surf the web, and more. You can work more for longer thanks to a substantial battery life of up to 15 hours. It has adequate battery life to last up to 7 hours of online meetings or 10 hours of continuous movie viewing. Alternatively, you may surf the web for up to 15 hours on a single charge. Furthermore, the Nokia T20's 2K display is excellent for both day and night use. As a result, you'll be able to watch a movie in low light, read a book on the train, and more. Best of all, with minimal blue lighting, you won't have to strain your eyes as much when staring at a computer screen on a regular basis. Finally, stereo speakers allow you to enjoy your favorite music. Two product in day it's for reading is Kobo Libra 2 waterproof eReader. With the Kobo Libra 2 waterproof eReader, you can read to your heart's content even when your hands are full. You can continue the narrative while sipping coffee or breastfeeding your baby thanks to page turn buttons in an ergonomic shape. There's also the option of reading in landscape format, so it can fit into your hectic schedule. Additionally, the Kobo Libra 2 has Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to connect your wireless headphones and listen to audiobooks while reading hands-free from anywhere. In fact, because to its IPX8 waterproof classification, you may read in the tub, in the rain, or at the beach. Alternatively, owing to its glare-free screen and strong contrasts, you can read in direct sunshine. So, regardless of the weather, reading may always be included into your routine. Finally, with 32 GB of storage space, it can store 24,000 ebooks and audiobooks. And 3 products for craftsmen and pain. Universal 4.0 Titanium. The Universal 4.0 Titanium Compact Multi-Tool is a one-tool that does it all device. This multi-tool everyday carry card has over 80 items in one. As a result, it's a very simple and multi-purpose piece of gear that can handle all of your day-to-day tasks. The Universal 4.0 has it all, from a knife to a survival axe, screwdrivers to wrenches. Combine various modules using the unique clip mechanism for even more versatility. Choose from can openers, hex keys, bit drivers, sundials, scrapers, scoring tools, rulers, and more in the garage, military, urban, utility, or wrench kit. You may also add the handy leather holder to keep everything together. And 4 product it's Aura Mason Freestanding Digital Photo Frame. The Aura Mason Freestanding Digital Picture Frame allows you to connect with your memories on a daily basis. This home accessory has a 9-inch Full HD 1600x900 display that can be positioned in portrait or landscape mode. Meanwhile, this frame appears to be carved from stone, giving it a balanced and straightforward appearance. In addition, you receive unlimited storage and no hosting expenses. The top-rated software then makes it simple to manage your photographs and frames. Additionally, the app makes it simple to publish your images to iOS, Android, or the Aura website from anywhere. Even better, you can control the speed of your slideshow. You may also choose whether images are shown in chronological or jumbled order. Or product Carvera fully automatic desktop CNC machining has wowed you, but the procedure has left you feeling a little overwhelmed. The Carvera fully autonomous desktop CNC will wow you with its clever features that make the task easier. This fully automatic desktop CNC machine, designed for manufacturers, simplifies the process by including an automatic tool changing, auto probing, dust collecting, and more. So you won't have to vacuum up your space after you're finished, and you won't have to fuss over every last detail. It also features an extremely small design that makes it simple to fit into any workstation. While most hobby-level machines lack intelligent features, this one produces extremely fine results without requiring any adjustments. So the video ended. I hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel and click like, and don't forget to follow me in the social media and the links in the description.